And we have Django that's going to try to help.
Hi, this is Paul. I'm talking about this board I put up. I use it to get up in the morning, so I told my wife I put it up here because my side of the bed has a window, and I'm always afraid I'm going to lose my balance and fall out the window. So I put that up there. But now we're going to take it down because I got a different board. But I took and pre-drilled holes right there and had somebody hold it up there for me so I can put the screw right there and screw them all in. But now we're going to take it down. So the reason I'm taking it down is because I got another board and I got a grab bar and I put on it. I went to where I used to work and got the guy there to cut the board for me and the pieces, and I built it out a little bit, 3/4 for the blinds. You can turn the blinds and they won't hit. So we're going to try that and see how that works. So what I do is gotta turn that the right way.
I guess you got that down, huh?
The board goes down. And then I gotta get, can you hold that while I take
Sure.
that one out?
Hold this, the
Yep.
board?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Take it off.
Okay.
Okay, now here's the new board. And I got screws. We're gonna put them in each one.
And we have Django that's going to try to help. Now you're not drilling those down into my bed, are you?
No. So I just give them here.
So you're just getting them stuck in there enough that they won't come out when
Yeah.
you pick the board up?
Pick the board up. This one has a grab bar that helps me get out of bed. And plus, if I fall, I won't fall out the window.
Okay, so now I will have to help you
Yeah.
hold the board up.
What I did is I got somebody to hold it before I can put a screw on each side. Now I got to screw the rest of the way in. So we got one on top, we'll do one on the bottom. So I didn't need that many screws, but I like to have it where it won't fall. So
You'd rather have more screws so it's more secure?
yep. I was told one time a screw holds like 200 pounds. I don't know if it's true or not, but somebody told me that a long time ago. So if that's the case, I guess they hold me now. Now I can always be like this and pull myself up. If I lose my balance, I can lean up against it. I don't have to worry about hitting the window and busting the window out. Because if I fall into the window, I ain't no way to get up. I have to lay there and hopefully somebody can see me.
And that's a nicer looking board than the other one you had up there, so.
Yeah, so the screws were short enough, they don't go through, so now we can do the blind. They don't hit the board because we built it out 3/4. So that's it for that. So thank you for watching my video.